In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Canva designs. Adding music can elevate your presentations, videos, and social media posts, making them more engaging and dynamic. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and creative by the end. To start off, it's important to note that you'll need Canva Pro for this feature. With a Pro account, you'll have access to a vast library of music tracks that you can incorporate into your designs effortlessly. So if you're ready, let's dive in. When you have your Canva design open, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side toolbar. There, you'll find various options that include elements like photos, text, and of course, audio. Go ahead and click on the Audio tab. If you don't immediately see the audio icon or tab, don't worry. This can happen sometimes, so instead navigate to the Apps section in the same toolbar. Clicking Apps will open up a search field where you can type in audio to locate the music options swiftly. Once you've accessed the audio section, you'll be greeted with a plethora of music tracks ranging from calm, ambient sounds to upbeat, energetic tunes. Take your time to explore this selection and pick a track that complements the mood and message of your design. When you find a track you like, simply click on it to select it. After selecting your preferred audio, it will automatically be added to your design. Canva will display the track at the bottom of your design workspace, indicating that it's now a part of your project. You can play the audio to ensure it aligns with your vision and make adjustments if needed. It's worth mentioning that you can trim the audio track to suit specific parts of your design. Say you want a particular segment to play during a key slide. Simply adjust the length and starting point of the track using the trimming tool. And there you have it, you've successfully added music to your Canva design. Remember, using music thoughtfully can enhance your work significantly, making it more appealing and memorable to your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as inspiring and powerful as I do. Happy designing!